Hi there, today I'm going to show you on how to do sentiment analysis in a very easy way. No coding required and no prompt engineering required. If you want to check out one of my concepts video on sentiment analysis, you can check out the link which I've included in the description below. For this video, I'm going to use my platform called as datajarvis.ai and you can also try it out. So let's now jump to the platform. So here I'm on my platform Data Jarvis. Let me go first of all to the option which will allow us to do sentiment analysis. So let me go ahead and select it. And here you'll see some different data sets which are available. And we are going to use a data set which has got reviews from Amazon. So I'm going to select it and copy it so that we can use it for our own purposes. Now, if you want, you can also add your own data set. But for this video, I'm going to use the data set which has got customer reviews which are coming from Amazon. So let us go ahead and select this. And here you will see list of different prompts which are already available and you need to just configure them and use it. So first of all, let us start with this prompt. And here we are going to see what are some sample 5 records which are available in the data set. All right, so here we can see the different data which is available. And you can see that the data has got the product ID. It has got the customer review. You can see that the customer review is completely unstructured text and it can be quite long. Now let us go ahead and do the second prompt. So here we are going to perform the sentiment analysis and we need to select a column on which we want to do the sentiment analysis. So I'm going to go ahead and select the column. So here we want to do sentiment analysis on the customer review. So I'm going to confirm that and I'm going to now use this prompt. So this step might take a little bit of time, but once it is done, you will get the sentiment analysis for each and every customer review. So here you see the data set and here you see the sentiment which has been calculated. The sentiment could be positive, negative or neutral. In addition, you also have the probability of the sentiment. And here you see a bar chart which has got the sentiment shown as a visualization. So you can see the positive sentiment are more, followed by negative and then by neutral sentiment. In addition, it also gives a brief description about the results. Now, let us go ahead and ask Data Jarvis to give an interpretation of the sentiment analysis. So I'm going to use this prompt here. And I will be able to see the interpretation of the sentiment analysis. So it indicates that the overall tone is positive because it has got more positive reviews compared to negative reviews. And it also indicates that what is so positive about the customer reviews, and it has identified the different keywords such as coffee, great flavor, which are available in the positive review. In addition, it also indicates what are the pain points which are available in the negative review. And here it clearly says that most of the negative review is to do with salt and coconut products. And it also identifies what are the actionable key takeaways and next steps. So this is really powerful as we are able to do sentiment analysis as well as interpret it as well as identify the key takeaways. So if you want to try this out, you can do so on my platform datajarvis.ai and see you soon in another exciting video.